it is. This is the, wow, that's over level. This is the elevator at Bloomingdale's King of Prussia. Oh my god. Does that indicator work at all? Probably not. Yep. Watch the doors. This carpet is really messed up. Look at that. Yeah. There's the third floor. I've never seen a bigger or a better example of a typical Westinghouse. A typical 80s Westinghouse. Really rickety. Still runs decent for its age and wear and the use that this thing gets. ADA compliant phone, 4,000 pound capacity. Let's edit. Get one more listen to the motor and then end it zero. I love how it just slams into the shaft. I wonder if they, so, I don't know if this locks off one, that's interesting. You know, that button goes out really, really early. Here it too. Just slams, that's funny.